Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you a cool finger tapping pattern to play the minor seven notes over. Okay, so your minor seventh chord is your first, third flatted, fifth, and seventh flatted. And what we can do is we can do a little pattern where we're playing all four of those notes. And it kind of corresponds with the strings, really. I can do this pattern over the first and sixth string because they're both E's, and I'll be playing the E minor seven notes. And over the fifth string, that's your A string, I'll play this finger tapping pattern over that. It'll be the A minor seventh notes. And the fourth string being the D string, I'll play the pattern over that, playing the D minor seven notes, and so on. With the G string, your third string, and the B string, your second string, I gotta play the G minor seven notes and the B minor seven notes. So it's a really cool pattern, and let me show you how it works. Now again, the minor seventh chord is made of your first, third flat, fifth, and seventh flat. So what I'm gonna do is I finger tap with my middle finger, and I'm gonna come up to the 15th fret. Now I'm gonna show you the sixth string here, but you can follow the same pattern for the your other strings. So the fifth string being the open E or the E string, I'm going to do this E minor seventh pattern over that. So if I go here to the sixth string, that's my E string, and I'm going to play that pattern over this string to play the E minor seven chord notes. So E minor seven is made up of E, G, B, and D. So I have a G here on the 15th fret of the sixth string. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to finger tap on that. And I finger tap with my middle finger. So I'm going to finger tap on that. And I'm going to pull off it into the open E. So I'm going to be hitting two notes already of that E minor seventh chord. I'm going to finger tap that 15th fret on the sixth string. And then I'm going to pull off on it to play it open E. And I'm going to hammer on my index finger on the sixth string, seventh fret to play the B. Then I'm going to hammer around with my little finger on the sixth string, 10th fret to play the D. So by this pattern here, I'm going to be hitting all the notes of the E minor seven. Again, I'm hitting this sixth string, 15th fret for the G, pull off to the E, hammer on with my index finger on the B, which is the 7th fret of the sixth string, then hammer on with my little finger on the D, which is the 10th fret of the sixth string, and that's my pattern. Now I can use the same pattern, come down to the fifth string, and the fifth string is my A string, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the notes of the A minor seventh chord. I'll follow the same pattern. Now, A minor seventh chord is made up of A, C, E, and G. A, C, E, and G. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to, again, the same pattern to the 15th fret of the fifth string, and I'm going to tap on that note to play the C. I'm going to pull it off to play that open A. And then I'm going to hammer on my index finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string, and then hammer on my little finger on the 10th fret of the 5th string to play that E and that G. So it's kind of like this. And then I just follow that same pattern. If I come down the D string and I'm going to play the D minor 7th notes, well, I tap on that 4th string, 15th fret, and I pull it off to an open D. Then I hammer on with my index finger on the 4th string, 7th fret, and I hammer on my little finger on the 4th string, 10th fret. And I do the same thing with the G string, the 3rd string. Play the notes of the G minor 7th chord. The B string or 2nd string to play the notes of the B minor 7th chord. And then the 1st string, the E string, for the notes of the E minor 7th chord. And that's really it, man. You just follow that pattern through. E minor 7th, A minor 7th, D minor 7th, G minor 7th, B minor 7th, and E minor 7th. And then you can just kind of work on your speed, speeding up a little bit. Again, Mr. G, kind of a cool pattern for playing the notes of a minor 7th chord. Go ahead and try it out. And don't forget to check out my other finger tapping videos and keep on jamming.